How to add video and photo to one Instagram story. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You can simply click on your story and then add the video first. After you have selected video, you can also select ratio of video on another app, then click on stickers on top and then click on photos. Select the photo you want to add and then simply frame it by adjusting it. After you're done, simply click on your story and add your story. You can also find another apps to add video and photo to one frame and simply directly add it to your Instagram. This is how to add video and photo to one Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.